Hello, my name is Joshua Sells. This is the Week 5 Project Hacker Defense video. On the left-hand side is my code, on the right-hand side is my program, and I have PHP my admin open as well. First thing we're going to do is enter our name. We're going to add ourselves as a new registrant in the Sunrun database. I'm going to put a sponsor of Walgreens. We're going to add. Alright, now as you see, I'm down here with a sponsor of Walgreens. Next thing is looking at prepared statements. So this is the original query. It's unsafe, it's unsecure. We use prepared statements to deal with that and protect against hackers. Okay, so that's what all of this is. We call various methods to perform the operation. So we set up the statement with a placeholder. We do prepare, we bind the parameter, which is assigning a variable to that placeholder. Then we execute, we store the result, get the number of rows. I think that's optional. And then we bind the results. So it basically puts the data from each field into a variable name. Then we free the result and close the object. Next up is our stored procedure. So for the update, when you click the update button, this is the case update. So we get into our stored procedure. We close the connection, create the connection, and then we get the post data, put it into variables, and then we set the SQL variable to call runner update, and we pass in the parameters, which is the post data. This goes to the database server and executes the stored procedure. That's what this line is here. And then we close the connection and create a new one for all other SQL. Last two things that I want to show you are PHP my admin. Here are the procedures. We go to the edit window, routine name, type. These are all the parameters that I put in with the type, length. And then here is the definition, begin. Here's the SQL statement, and then this is just a bunch of other data. Alright, then the last thing we're going to do is delete my name out of here. So I selected my name, and then click delete, and I'm no longer there. Thanks for watching.